Windows 10 default settings. If your Windows 10 PC is experiencing issues or you are selling it, you should reset it. This can also fix many problems such as slow performance. Click the Start button and then click Settings icon. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery tab. Click the Get Started button. Choose whether to keep your files or not. Wait for the next part to load. Choose, how do you want to clean the drive? Click the Next button. Wait for the next part to load, which will usually take less than a minute. Click the Reset button.